If you don't know exactly what you want, how can you expect to achieve it? Most people struggle not because they lack effort, but because they lack direction. Clarity isn't just knowing your goal, it's understanding every detail of it. A vague goal like I want to be successful means nothing. But I want to earn $10,000 a month through my business in the next 12 months? That's a target. Most people fail because they don't define their goals clearly. They wake up, work hard, but with no direction. Imagine driving a car with no destination. You'll just keep wandering. The same happens with your life. To gain clarity, be specific about what you want. Write it down to make it real, break it into small, actionable steps, and visualize it daily. Clarity creates focus, and focus destroys distractions. When you know exactly where you're going, you don't waste time on things that don't matter. You wake up with purpose. So ask yourself, do you know exactly what you want? If not, fix it today. Because without clarity, you're just running in circles.